The Dow Jones Industrial Average closing above 12,000 today. It's the first time since June of 2008, in the early days of the financial crisis. Let's get more details from Deborah Kostroun from the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah.
Well, thanks a lot, Pimm. And certainly the Dow hitting 12,000, closing above it. We've been watching that and tracking that for the past week here. Also, the S&P above 1,300, closing above that level for the first time since August 2008. This was also our biggest jump for stocks in 2 months. And between today's gain and also yesterday's gains as well, we kind of made up for all those big losses that we saw on Friday when the market was down due to all the unrest in Egypt. And it wasn't just stocks here in the U.S. Around the world, stocks were higher, mainly because we saw manufacturing expanding in the U.S. and also in China. And traders tell me that we are moving towards this long-term expansion with the economy. Last week we saw it in the GDP numbers, and traders say today it was really kind of confirmed with the manufacturing sector being very strong, Pimm.
Deborah, 27 stocks in the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index. They were higher today. Pfizer leading the pack after their earnings report.
Right. And, Pfizer releasing their earnings, their fourth quarter topped estimates. This was after trimming their workforce. The company also plans to lower costs by cutting research spending by as much as $3 billion. They're also going to be shutting down some plants in an effort to save money. They are doing all of this as they face declining sales of their best-selling drug, Lipitor. And that's because generics are coming out on the market. Also, a quick mention of UPS, shares climbing to its highest price in 2 years. This was after also releasing their earnings, and they said they saw an increase in holiday shipments, and that really helped their fourth quarter profit. And of course, we always look to UPS as a proxy for the economy because they ship so many different types of goods across the country. Pimm, that's it from here. Back to you.
Thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun, reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.